The demand for construction continues to rise due to population growth, rapid urbanization, and industry developments. In building construction, steel structures are preferred for sustainable cities because they have a longer lifespan, strong shock resistance, and the ability to be recycled and reused. However, traditional methods for arc welding H-beam production require multiple steps, including grooving, filling, post-welding thermal deformation correction, and slag waste processing. These methods are labor-demanding, carbon emission intensive, and have low production capacity, resulting in a 50% gap between H-beam supply and demand. In fact, the welding process contributes to 80% of carbon emissions in steel production. To tackle this issue, ITRI collaborated with Taiwan Mass Corporation, TMC, to develop the low-carbon laser H-beam welding technology. This innovation provides a fully automatic H-beam welding process, combining laser welding with automatic loading, unloading, and transmission systems to eliminate the complicated steps of grooving, filling, and correcting. Most importantly, it produces no slag waste. Compared to existing methods, this new technology increases H-beam production capacity 5-fold and reduces manufacturing costs by 2/3. For each metric ton produced, it saves 77 kilowatt-hours of electricity and reduces carbon emissions by 80%. This advancement offers benefits such as high production speed, low carbon emissions, and significant energy savings. ITRI has licensed this technology to TMC for field verification in 2024. Trial production has begun after passing SGS certification and earthquake endurance test. The collaboration is expected to expand the application of steel construction buildings in the market and facilitate more urban renewal projects. By improving building quality and resolving challenges related to high carbon emissions and carbon taxes, this advanced H-beam production solution will drive sustainable development in cities around the world.